What's in your box? Introducing Blue Streak blower motor resistor kits featuring problem-solving high-temp harnesses. Blower motor resistors control the electrical current flowing from the fan switch to the blower fan, which allows drivers to control fan speed. The high amount of current running through the blower motor resistor will produce heat that can damage the connector and resistor. That's where we come in. Blue Streak improved on the original, delivering a high-temp connector that withstands excessive heat to prevent damage. These direct-fit replacements are engineered to handle the extreme current that can melt the resistor or connector of an inferior replacement part. The Blue Streak blower motor resistor includes features that ensures it will perform properly under all operating conditions. High-quality ceramics with copper electrical connectors produce accurate resistance values every time. Tin-plated steel terminals for maximum contact and excellent fit. Kanthal D resistor wire provides longer life for higher watt resistors. Precision-built resistor coils for better fan control. And our resistor is thermally protected with an onboard fuse. Our extra-duty harness is manufactured with TXL copper wiring to withstand high electric current and protect against heat-related failure, while the high-temp connector prevents melting even under extreme temperatures. Our harness is thermal cycle tested from -22 degrees to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. Blue Streak blower motor resistor kits are manufactured in our IATF 16949 certified facility, where they undergo rigorous testing to make sure each delivers precise performance and a long service life. Since its introduction, the Blue Streak brand has been known for premium automotive quality. Made to stand the test of time, Blue Streak parts are always engineered for superior performance and durability, and our blower motor resistor kits are no exception. The Blue Streak line has been the professional technician's choice since 1934, and every Blue Streak part is backed by our limited lifetime warranty. For more information on the Blue Streak line, visit standardbluestreak.com.